I see the crystal raindrops fall and the beauty of it all when the sun comes shining through to make those rainbows in my mind. When I think of you sometime and I want to spend some time with just the two of us. We can make it if we try to.